Get the power supply off this guy. There you go. Nice. Actually pretty large power supply. It's the biggest power supply I've seen on a TV. I guess the bigger the TV, the bigger the power supply. So that should be a good $50. Once I'm done with the video and upload it, I'm definitely gonna go onto eBay, and in the description I'll add the pricing. Not sure what this cable is. I'm sure it's quite important. I'll hold on to that one. There you go. Not sure how I'm going to take out this antenna. It looks like it's all soldered in there, but I'm definitely going to try. Get this nice motherboard out. And I'm kind of gambling that the motherboard is working. Like, I know it turns on so the power supply works. Motherboard is a crapshoot. I'm not sure if it will. But like I said, the fact that it turns on and everything, there's a very good chance it does. Alright, so here you go. We got, I don't know what to call these. I guess they're similar to I/O plates on PCs. I don't know if that's what you would call them on a TV. Here's a nice motherboard. All the connectors seem good condition. Like I said, I tested or partially tested it. Then we have this Wi-Fi board. I don't know if it's Bluetooth also, but I'm really interested to see if this is sold separately and if it sells for more. This might be quite valuable. I'll have to check.